Component 3 both stands alone and fully underpins the elements of Component 1 and 2, being that it's synoptic. Across all learning aims, you have such elements like modern technologies and how they work, through cybersecurity, the wider implications of how digital systems work, and how they are used, down to planning communication across and inside those digital systems. Taking modern technologies first, with subject content A1 and A2, you have to look at how the communication technologies are created, set up, and any security issues that may exist from them. One of the nice ways you can approach this is to show examples of where this failed, most recently being Apple and FaceTime, and how you had the ability to listen into calls. You can showcase features of cloud storage, how cloud computing is used. You could even get them all to go to different places in the school and then work on the same document. A nice teaching activity is to set up a Google Drive or Google Doc and ask them to complete a task whereby they're not allowed to talk because they're all in disparate locations, but they still have to complete the task on the service. This can turn the whole thing into a bit of a game of online Chinese whispers, where they're all editing one document and they're trying to complete the task you've set, but you can make this quite fun by setting them conflicting objectives and watching as they all end up overwriting each other. This can really showcase how the features of modern technology can also be a drawback, because it shows how cloud and traditional systems have to be used together to deepen a learner's understanding of the subject matter. For example, working on the document could be accompanied by a phone call or an email to allow users to understand the needs and outcomes of each other so they don't end up overwriting a document. Although your school may not be set up to allow these activities, there is a way to extend these as a homework task if required. You can also show them examples of Twitter and LinkedIn. If your school allows you to show these online platforms, you can then let them have a look and play themselves, but they allow you to show how organizations communicate with modern technology. You could set them up as Slack or a Microsoft Teams and allow them to develop their own learning communities, or show them how they're probably already doing it using services such as WhatsApp with their friends. A good signpost here is that this element also links well with the project planning in Component 2.